Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom Rally Edition in black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 13.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7126.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.